Casharee, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest for today's video. My favorite person in the world, my niece Jubella. Come here, sit down. So tell my Cashies and friends what your name is.
Amaya.
Yes, and how old are you?
7.
And what grade are you going to?
2nd grade.
Yes, and what is Lala doing today?
Do my hair.
Yes, you ready? Yes, we have already washed it, moisturized it, so we are going to do some box braids for Juju. Oh, you gonna do your own hair? She's my little mini me, guys. She's gonna be just like her Lala when she grows up. So we are about to get started.
Yeah. Bye. You see you.
We coming.
Back.
No, tell them. Yeah, say. I'll be right back.
We're back. We're gonna be right back. Bye.
Oh, we forgot one thing. Let's show everyone what hair we're gonna be using.
This hair.
Yes, we're gonna use. We're gonna be using this. What is it? Free press braiding hair today, and the color we're using is the color 4.
We have bows. I like the mermaid one.
Yes, and we have our bows for the finished product too. So we're about to get on started. Alright, so I started with just parting her hair, of course, trying to get the parts as straight as possible for the box braids. And I hope y'all can still see. I know the camera isn't as close as it probably should be, but y'all know I'm not used to doing other people's hair, so setting up the camera this way, ooh, it was a struggle, but I worked it out. But anywho, so I'm doing the rubber band method just because it's easier. So I'm just starting by placing some jam like near her roots so that I can grip the hair. And then I'm proceeding with putting on the rubber band. So for the braiding hair, I did take one bundle and cut it in half. So that's why you see one side has a blunt end and the other side is still stretched. Because of course this is for a little girl's hair, so we don't want the hair to be too long. So once I did that, I just took the hair and separated it into the piece that I wanted to work with for each braid. So what I did was, like, here is the piece that I want for one braid. But I took that piece and separated that in half, like you see here, and then I put them back together, but just unevenly, so that both sides of the hair would have stretched ends like that, opposed to just one blunt end and one stretched end. And then I just stretched the ends as needed if I saw it still needed to be a little stretched. So yeah, once I did that, I just wrapped it around the rubber band and started to braid. So what I did was I used her hair as the third leg for the braid, and then once I got maybe at 2 inches or so down, I separated one of the longer pieces and added it to that one piece where it was just her hair, of course, to make it all 3 long pieces to continue the braid all the way down. Then once I got to the end of each braid, I just tied a knot on the ends to secure them. And I just continued this same method throughout the entire head. So here is day 2 of doing her hair, and as you can see, Juju is about over it. Okay, she was just ready for me to be done. But then, she got happy again when she started getting in all of my lashes and makeup things that was in her reach. So we were good. And here is when I finally finished all of the braiding. The braids were just straight like this with the straight ends. So in order to get the curly look I was going for, I braided the hair up into big sections like this and put the perm rods on the end and dipped this into steaming hot water.
Alright y'all, so we are finally done a day later and here is the final result. Come on, show them, Juju. Show them your hair. Do a slow spin so they can see. And model it for them. Yes. Yes, girl. Ooh, okay, you're gonna make it so dizzy. Do you like your hair?
Yes.
Yes. Now we're gonna say, hope you like the video.
I hope you liked the video. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Cassidy friends. Lala's sick now. Now I can have a party.
We can't even see your nails on camera.
Okay.
Yeah, they can't see our nails, so we're good.
Well, I want it to be.
Excuse me?
I want it.
Huh?
I want it to be.
To be what? You did them yesterday, remember? Little girl, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.